Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world don't care, but hear me now, a seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break, friend. From Kingston town to Berlin Lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, Jah promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, shine bright tonight.
Under the mango tree, me and you talk about the dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me out with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Roots of love, pure and true. Every beat my heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me, two souls entwined. In a light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word make me spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. God bless our love from the start. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love.
Strong, you carry it true.
Jah bless this bond, Jah bless this way.
Roots of love forever stay.
Me no fear tomorrow when you're day here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love to prove.
Roots of love,
deep like a tree, stand firm to eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Roots of love bloom again and again, in sunshine, in joy, in rain. Jah guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love. Feel your heartbeat next to mine. Love eternal, Jah divine. Through every trial, every shove, we rise again with roots of love. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. wake up to the morning light. Though the world is cold sometimes, I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with your love lighting my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way, Jah guide my way. Jah guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes, but I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate, but even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers, you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace. Let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Emancipate your wandering mind. Leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Oh, Jah guide my way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night, me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul when never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, a new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry, only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. No Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain my soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call your name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along over Zion. Yeah, the light of Jah upon the lion. Yeah, righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Lift your voice, lift your soul. Zion fire make we whole. Hey together, bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Rise, my brother, rise. Sunshine, heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, sunshine over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Mama earth crying, drum beat echo from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love no deny. Rise up people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, stop the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down. Mama
fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her. Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one heart, one world, forevermore. Jah light guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Rise up, rise up. Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Morning sun, arise pon the hill. Children cry, but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the upbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up, my people. Oh yeah, Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we holy fire in our hand. Hey, yeah, yeah. Rise up, I and I together. Oh yeah, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we look. But the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep trotting on. Aborigine, they ask me so, me answer Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yes, we answer the call. Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Hey. Rise up, my people. Oh yeah, Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro. No fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one faith, one song. Together we forever strong. Oh. Freedom shall come One love, one heart. Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari.
Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough but me will hear the drum beat from the distance, Africa calling. Even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustle it in a cold city street. Barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure but we no retreat, cause iron heart still a beat, beat, beat. Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when they push you to the darkest side. Chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat. No surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone building hope from the fall. Politician talk but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming a better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on the tree. Speak truth but love and unity. He said freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa a flow in you and me.
Hey Mama Africa,
We hear you calling ya.
oh Jaja,
Guide we soul, never let we fall.
rise up warriors.
Stand tall, love are the key, love conquer all. Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we roar once. Lion heart still beat. Let the world unite, black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. With destiny is freedom right. Oh, lion heart still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path me are walking. No change, no fear, just love we speaking. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, na, na. Oh, na, na. Yeah, yeah. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze by my face. Mama pray in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough but me trod with the heart full of fire. No change for my spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling my name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jaja bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in alive. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in the night sky. Whoa, like stars in the night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground. hunger around. Africa my blood, Jamaica my song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready for grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Jah light shining through the storm tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change can hold on a free soul life. Africa calling back we to the roots. So rise up in the morning sun. Juma beats and the freedom come. From Trenchtown straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we are. Rise up, hold the fire high. No more tears in our mama eye. Storm may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Oh, to rise, never die. Rise up. Jah lights a guide we step. Oh, no fear, no fret. Till the last sunset. Rise up.
Feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow. Hear mama hum in ancient song. Say old faith child stay strong. Road dusty, but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try fi chain, but me heart not them. Cause a warrior of light must remain. Oh mama say no fear my son. Star shine brightest when night. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear.
Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light. Jah soldier in the fight through the darkness of the night. My spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul. No system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe. One love can end the fight.
No Babylon, no pressure.
Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, my brother. Light live forever.
Me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. Me see tears in her mama eyes, still she give life a chance. Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build up in a song like a true Rasta man. From Kingston streets to Nairobi land, from Soweto cries to Zion sand. We sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last chain undone. Hey, Jah Jah,
Light up the way we go.
oh mama Africa,
Your spirit in our flow.
warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no bow.
Fire of love, let it glow, let it glow.
I'm a warrior of the light, a blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spy, we choose the path of right.
No weapon form shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light, keep marching to the flame. Call Jah name, no shame. We rise again and again till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love, standing firm, living proof.
Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on through the night. Jah guide me every fight till morning sunshine bright.
to Lagos town, from Cape Coast shore to London sound. We chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color, but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Your love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. Oh, one world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hand, chant this song. One world, we belong. We see the children hungry, crying out, while the leaders fight for clout. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love guide the way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color. Red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa. Oh, we guide.
Ubuntu,
I am because we are
one world family near and far.
Simunye.
Together we rise.
Jah light shining on all we eyes.
Drumbeat echo from shore to shore. One world people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free.
One world unity, one world, one heartbeat. Rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trenchtown hills to Accra street, we move to one heartbeat. Oh, one world, one heartbeat. Jah plan divine, peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One world where we all belong. Where we all belong.
Where we all belong.
Feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide.
Jah love flow like ocean wide.
One world, one heartbeat.
We ride.
Choo choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Hey, nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put change round our hands, change round our mind. Teach we if we follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jah plan. Freedom train, take the people's hand. All aboard, don't you delay. Justice come for
get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beating at them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train. Do you hear it?
Yes, I hear it.
Do you feel it?
Yes, I feel it.
Jah Jah calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep Jah name. Truth and rights we shall proclaim. I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, and every man, woman and child deserve to stand.
Freedom, freedom.
Right on, right on. Freedom train is rolling. Take the children home. No one left in the streets alone. From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Can't stop the flame. Jah light guide the holy name. Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride the freedom train. Choo choo, ride on, ride on. Freedom come. No more chain. Ride the train, the freedom train.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit. But I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper love is always here. Raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin.
No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small treetop. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jah crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, Jah sun still rise in the morning. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in a soul. No more we run, stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion now. Them still with gold, them still with name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, Jah live,
We never die.
even if the road is long and steep. The roots of truth run oh so deep. Pulse, who will fight for the youth them soul?
We will fight till the final goal.
Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul. No more we run, stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion now. Lion heart freedom,
Lion heart freedom.
yeah, lion heart freedom,
Lion heart freedom.
yeah, lion heart freedom,
Lion heart freedom.
yeah. I say, one people, one destiny. Jah Rastafari. Ooh, yo, 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 yo. Ooh, yo, 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 yo. Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near, nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight, let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go, feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash me sorrow, you ease me pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. I find my peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray, 'cause Jah love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. This a sweet melody of Jah love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of Jah love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we heart. Me remember when me life feel dry, you bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain. It heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In all your arms me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to Jah's sweet song. Through the struggle, me not complain, 'cause love like ours never go in vain. Sweet melody of Jah love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heart beat one again. Sweet melody of Jah love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah love in our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah. When darkness come, we still hold tight, 'cause love is strong. Jah make it one heart, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. Sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on, 'cause this love will never done. Sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true. Jah bless the love between me and you. Sweet
child eyes. Them barefoot but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land. Be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh Jah, guide us, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go, we go. Tears turn to freedom, no more fear. Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand. One blood, one love across the land. Though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Oh, wipe your tears, everything alright. Your love, carry me through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can't cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Island of peace, set me free. Oh, where my heart's meant to be. Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah, yeah, na, na, na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, we wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. My spirit whisper, don't you fear. Your light shine bright, it's always here. In all the struggle, me find me peace.
Jah rising over the mountain night. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Yeah, nah, nah. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Na, 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 na. Jah light forevermore. Me heart and soul restore.
Much of your life, peace we trod.
Guided by the hand of Jah God. Rise up now, what children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum, beat the call. Light of Jah, shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Jah. Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
Don't worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. And in your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving at the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, I never know love so kind. Loving at the moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart said, darling, I
love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, me want the whole world to know. Loving at the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day.
If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. With love as a river, forever it flows.
Moonlight,
Oh, shine for you and me tonight.
love so right, love so bright. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we hold love tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only way. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali Sand, unity are the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand, me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali Sand, unity are the law of Jalan. Africa,
One with the earth, yeah.
Zion children rise up high. No more war, no more cry.
No more cry.
Nobody truth, no lie. One people, one voice we try. One drum, one soul, sound the freedom call. We might stumble, but we never fall. From Port-au-Prince to Senegal, one drum, one soul, sound the freedom call. We might stumble, but we never fall. From Port-au-Prince to Senegal, Jah love surround us all. One drum, one soul, chant the healing sound. Even when the night come down, we hold the light, we stand the ground. One love, one heart, still profound.
The drum still playing, heart still praying, world still changing. One home, one soul, one love remaining.
Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, we still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chance pan we so no fear in a crowd. From trends down to Ethiopia land. Raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we strong. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion sand. Lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Ay, 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 ay. Hey. They teach us life from the day we born. Say keep your head low, don't question norm. But me see truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Like no bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution coming, a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time for see true Babylon disguise. One drop revolution, beat up the heart. Freedom sound tear Babylon apart. No gun, no aim.
me spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on me dream last night. Come home, me child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant on Babylon every dawn, till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu. Jah fire keep the spirit bright. Way up, drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. No rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore. Love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's sight. Yeah, roar, lion roar, for the children of Zion. Once more, rise, oh lion, rise. Let your fire light up the sky. Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke of the herb rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life's so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Trench Town, fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound. Under the sunset, in a Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound, Trench Town sound. Me see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write a history. From the ghetto come the crown. We're kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset of Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We
Trenchtown, light in the breeze, sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound, we're free in the sunset of Trenchtown. Umoja, unity forever. Trenchtown people rise together, from Kingston to Accra call, one love conquer all. Drumbeat talk, the spirit respond, from the earth to sky beyond. We feel the ancestors sing around, bless the sunset over Trenchtown. Sunset over Trenchtown, fire in the heart, roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround, peace and pride in a Trenchtown sound. Sunset over Trenchtown, burning gold, story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, your light shine on Trenchtown. We go again by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray, sunset bless another day.